Good day. Classification of penalties and its duration. So we have 5 parts of classification of penalties. These are capital penalties, afflictive penalty, correctional penalties, light penalties, and penalty common of the three proceeding classes. Capital penalty, ang under niya kay death or death penalty. Sa afflictive penalty, ang under na niya kay reclusion perpetua, reclusion temporal, and perpetua or temporary absolute disqualification, perpetua or temporary special disqualification, and prison mayor. Sa correctional penalty, ang under na niya kay prison correctional, arresto mayor, suspension, and distero. Sa light penalties, ang under na niya kay arresto minor and public censory or censure. Lastly, sa penalty common of the three proceeding classes, under na niya kay fine and ban to keep the peace. So ang durations ato ng penalties, we have reclusion perpetua. This is 20 years and 1 day to 40 years. Reclusion temporal is 12 years and 1 day to 20 years. Prison mayor 6 years and 1 day to 12 years imprisonment. Ang prison correctional is 6 months and 1 day to 6 years. Ang arresto mayor is 1 month and 1 day to 6 months. And lastly, ang arresto minor kay 1 day to 30 days or 1 month. That's all. Thank you.